It is 1 o'clock in the afternoon. I feel very hungry. My stomach is making noises. I walk into the kitchen to make lunch. I wash my hands with warm water and soap. I dry my hands on a clean towel. I put on my favorite linen apron. I open the fridge. I take out a potato. I close the fridge. I put the vegetables on the counter. I turn on the tap. I wash the vegetables. The water is a little cold. I take my wooden cutting board. I put it on the kitchen table. I open the drawer to get my chef's knife. I take a small peeler. I peel the potato and the carrot. I slice the carrot into thick rounds. A piece of carrot rolls off the board. I pick it up and wash it again. I chop the potato and the zucchini into small cubes. Before we continue, tell me where you're watching from. Share in the comments what you cooked today. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. I peel the onion. I chop the onion very fast. My eyes are watering a little bit. Onions make me cry. I crush the garlic with the flat side of my knife. I walk to the stove. I turn on the heat. I put a deep iron pot on the burner. I pour a splash of olive oil into the pot. I wait for the oil to get hot. I add the chopped onion and the garlic. I listen to the sizzling sound. I stir them with a wooden spoon. The kitchen smells wonderful. I add the potato, the carrot, and the zucchini. I stir the vegetables for a few minutes. I pour 3 cups of vegetable broth into the pot. I add a pinch of salt and some black pepper. I put the lid on the pot. I lower the heat. I let the soup simmer for 20 minutes. While I wait, I wash the knife and the cutting board. A clean kitchen gives me peace of mind. The timer rings. The lunch is ready. I take off the lid. Hot steam comes out of the pot. I use a ladle to serve the soup into a bowl. I blow on the spoon because it is very hot. The soup tastes delicious.